Pagdating sa baluarte ng mga Duterte sa Davao City, pinaunahan agad ni Pangulong Bongbong Marcos ang inaugurasyon ng Davao City Bulk Water Supply Project sa Apo Agua Site sa Barangay Gumalang. Higit 1 milyong Davaoenos daw ang makikinabang dyan.
Now, the facility has been delivering 300 million liters of water per day to over 1 million households in Davao City. The Davao City Water Supply Project is also a concrete step for us to lessen our reliance on limited groundwater by tapping the Tamugan River as a sustainable water source.
Malaki rin anya ang maitutulong ng ganitong proyekto hindi lamang ngayong nakararanas ng El Nino, subalit maging sa epekto ng climate change. Kaya naman muling binigyan diin ng Pangulo ang utos sa concerned government agencies na tapusin ang mga nakabimbing water projects sa buong bansa.
Any disruption to the water supply, such as the one posed by the El Nino phenomenon, which we are feeling the effects of now, degrades our quality of life. It dampens our economic activity and can fuel disorder. Of all emergencies, water scarcity is the hardest to contain. It is, however, preventable with foresight, right plans, united action, and strong political will.
Kasama ng Pangulo sa Davao, sina DNR Secretary Antonia Yulo Loizaga, DSWD Secretary Rex Gatchalian at Defense Secretary Gibo Chodoro. Halos buong araw ding